Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPhone. We're going to take a look at how to clear your search history. Many of you have asked us and say, I'm doing searching and I notice that I get this great big long list. How do I clear it? Well, that's not a problem. It's buried there in the settings and I'm going to show you how to use it. So what we need to do is open up the little search here, and you can see when I open it up that I have this great big long list of search results. And if I tap on search and then I come back and I clear the little search there, you notice that the overstated pops up to the top. And if I scroll down, you will actually see it'll keep a list of the last 99 searches that I have done. But if I tap on the little back in menu and go into settings, you will notice that when I scroll down here in search, there's this little line that says clear search history. If I tap that and click yes, and then come back into search, look, it's emptied. It's all cleared out. Very simply, that's how you clear search history from within the app. So thanks for joining us and learning how to clear your search history within the EGW Writings 2 app. I hope this little tip is going to help you in the use of the app. Have a nice day.